Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about project management life cycle, and in this I have placed one life cycle curve, and it has all the four phases. In the diagram you can see the first is a definition phase, but actually it's called as a definition or initiation stage. Any way it can be mentioned, that I have already discussed in the previous videos. So I choose this particular diagram which is not there in your book from and that I have chosen from the internet. And four phases here are initiation, planning, execution and closure. So if you see this curve in the diagram, you can notice there what is done in the initiation phase, what is done in the planning phase, what is done in the execution phase, and what is done in the closure phase. So in project management life cycle, the general life cycle, we have four phases. The initiation phase. So initially when we plan something or when we do something, what all things we are doing? First of all, we have to think about the possibility of the project. Means can we do it here or not? Suppose assume that if I want to grow a apple in Kumta, is it possible? No, it is not possible. We should go to the place where there is a cold weather. So that is what we call feasibility study. So it is not that you have to do the project, means every project can be done in the certain areas, or every project will means every opportunities or project you will get it here. It is not like that. Similarly, if you want to do some steel company, see JSW Steel Company, it is in Bellary. Why? Because in Raichur, Bellary, in those areas you get the iron core, manganese what we call. So this is how the project is planned and it is initiated, and then the amount and all these things. And initiation, what we are doing is we are discussing about a goal. Then we specify the things, how it is done, how the project is done. We also discuss about the different tasks what are involved and how the team should be there, and that is discussed. That is done in the initiation stage. Next, in the planning stage, in the second unit we have discussed about a work breakdown structure. Then scheduling we will be discussing in a Gantt chart. Then we also discuss, we have to plan about a budget, that is a cost factor. Also the resources needed, the risks involved in the development. Risk also we discuss in the initiation stage also. So risk factor is considered in almost every stage. And next is the staffing, how it is done. So these are all the things we will be discussing in the project planning. Next is the project execution phase, where we will get the status report of every phase, how the production or a project is going under process. Control and monitoring is also done in this phase. What is a control and monitoring? We have already discussed in the previous video. If any changes are needed in the design or a planning, that is implemented here. Then the forecast and documentation of the details or execution is done in this. And end comes a closure where the evaluation is done. And the customer in the closure stage, sometime what happens, whatever is a new project, if it is a software, suppose if you consider a software, you need to train the customers how you are going to use it. So that is coming under the delivery or closure stage. And also your project analysis will be done here, reassignment of the staff, and we have to provide the document, how we can work. The transfer document has to be given here. So like that there will be number of things we will be discussing, and one by one we will discuss. Means suppose if you take a project initiation, it is further classified into 5 to 6 categories. How it is done we will discuss one by one in detail. Thank you for watching this video.